Hey guys, I hope you're good. It is Thursday night and I'm cleaning up because my landlord is coming tomorrow to inspect the place. So I'm starting with the bathrooms. I've already done the kitchen a bit. I just need to wipe the surfaces, the fridge, wipe it down. You know, the usual. So let's go clean the shower. It's an overdose. Got me locked up, baby. I got a break from you, break from you, break from you. Trying to keep you from losing your mind. So kind to me. Over your world. Shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up. Where are you buying from now? I always buy from Alibaba.com, where I get great deals at fashion prices. Alibaba.com, where you can find anything you're looking for. Global purchases at wholesale prices and you told me how what has he done for you lately? Ooh, yeah. Oh, God. I'm actually currently, I had to wipe out my laptop because, I don't mean to say open. I had to wipe out my laptop because it just was not cooperating. So we actually just deleted everything. I wiped the entire thing. And the Bible app, oh nice. Okay, so I wanted Word, and then Canva, and then This one is Keynote. I don't get Keynote because I use it at work for tutoring. Then I must get Zoom. Before it even starts flipping out on me, I have to get Zoom because that's where my money is at. You know what I mean? That's my money. Oh, looking for the Hoochie Daddy. So I have all the stuff here. I have CapCut. I have Microsoft Word. It's not working, but it's working when I do transactions. Hi, the cards Allah. For some reason, my face recognition is not working. I think I switched it off.
This episode of Lovers is presented by Bumble. Date your way on Bumble. Hey, girl, hey. I always don't know why I do that. Why do I have to give it a moment? Hey! We've already spoken, and we already had the walk-up moment, so that's that. But old habits die hard. And we're here to talk about boundaries. So this is really great, because I can ask crazy questions, and you can be like, I'm not answering that. Okay, great. Can I ask what's your love life right now?
What love?
I'm here for your wisdom, not for your drama. But as a friend through proximity, through being in the same city, and having admiration for what you do. I'm just want to be nosy, just to see what's keeping your skin looking so great.
Okay.
I told you there's just a new sauce. You've always had a sauce. You've always had za, but there just feels like something so consistent and just entrenched in a deep knowingness that feels new to me.
Oh, like if someone's making me glow.
Right, yeah.
I don't know. Career is making me glow. Lack of someone's making me glow. Yeah, it's been applying boundaries. Doing the work. I journal a lot more than I used to.
Really?
Yeah, a lot more. I journal. On my good days, I journal twice a day. I journal at night, and then I journal in the morning to document dreams to just help us with the untapped consciousness. And I have a friend that actually acts like an accountability buddy. I guess you could, an accountability buddy, where we talk together every day. He's my accountability guy for end-of-the-day journals. But those journals are so helpful because if not, you're just living life unaware. There's no taking inventory. There's no reflection. There's no, you don't even know what's in your fucking cabinet. So it's been helpful because then I can view myself objectively, like therapy, like free therapy. It's interesting when I see reoccurring things, and it helps you see patterns. And I'm like, oh, I continuously keep making a choice with this person that's doing me a disservice. I should probably change stuff.
So don't even know what I ordered. I ordered some ribs and wings. So these are the wings. I was missing spur so badly. That's the first thing I'm going to do when I touch down. Just go to spur. So not bad. Okay. And then I think this is the sauce for it. I hate so much packaging. I feel so bad. But at least we recycle. At least we recycle. Okay, it's recording. So these are the sauces. Oh, this is they should have just mixed it. It's fine. This is papaya salad. No, this was not necessary because it's so expensive. And then garlic bread. And then what is this? Man, there's so much stuff, guys. 3 sachets of mayo. Is this a promotion? I think this is a promotion. Yeah, it's a promotion. 20 baht off. So if you guys want to use this code, use it wisely. Get yourself something from Oh, they even gave me a slice of bread. Guys, their bread. Then condiments and a salad and food. Guys. Ribs. Here's the I'm going to eat, eh? I haven't eaten substantially in a while because I've been on this detox. Oh my gosh, so the sauce, the ribs. What? Guys, why do you even bother ordering from anywhere else? The night is still young. Good night, Tina. It's been great. We literally spent the day doing absolutely nothing but curling my hair and singing. And now we're going to eat. I am starving, darling. I don't even want to think about it. Bye.